Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to crochet the perfect stripes when working with single crochets. Let's go! For this tutorial, you're simply going to need 2 colors of yarn. These can be scraps of any weight, whatever you're comfortable with, and then a hook that's appropriate to match the weight of yarn that you're using. I'm using a heavy, bulky weight yarn and an M or 8mm hook to go with it. To get started, you can go ahead and chain any number of chains that you want and then work single crochets back into them. I'm going to work a couple rows of single crochets, and on my last row, I'm going to stop before I work the very last stitch because that's where I'm going to change color to create a stripe. All right, so I've worked 3 rows of single crochet here and I'm back to my last stitch. And to create a stripe, this is where I'm going to change color. I'm not going to complete this stitch and then add my new color. We need to do it a little bit ahead of time of that. To change colors, you're going to go ahead and start that final stitch in your original color. So I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop in my gray. Then, before I complete this stitch, I'm going to drop my gray yarn, I'm going to pick up my blue yarn, and I'm going to add my blue yarn onto my hook. So I'm going to yarn over and complete my single crochet with my blue yarn. Then I'm ready to just start my next row of single crochets in my new color, and you can see that it gives me a really nice clean edge where I have changed my colors. Now you can also see that my edge is messy here, and that's just because to add my new color I had to let go of my old color. I would go ahead and leave a nice long tail when you change this color, so if this gets yanked on more, you're not going to end up unraveling it all. But then when you're ready to weave in your ends, you can simply tighten this and see how that moves everything down, evens up my rows, and gives me a really nice color change. And there you have it. That's how you work the perfect stripes when using single crochets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe to my channel, and even turn on notifications. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy crafting!